listen Bray na quick one yemra ubaso ohe
David say ne fie
ai fie na make yemra fie oh
yeah
yemra fie euros in there so be euros no from next stages no na anobe hye ne Abranche Maguzo here ade na Germany for ntro no nyakora gane ga hanger nchomo omo form rainbow no got review usano bi kan de enyame na make obi na eka nti tom form rainbow colors ne pride hwan ni nyina kopa be ntra say Kotokone has I think it's a good decision say to almost say you know wa uni ticket on block certain streets it uni ticket uye nipo uye cow you ultimate tra emma wanim ya ba be hwe ne matches no all right but meetings are holding panyimfo aye make stakeholders the two teams the security officials National Sports Authority BNI for no ne obia ne omo mata efe ni obia no the arrangements are omaye no Prof Chumasi Achechimo no and Director General National Sports Authority no Achechemu meet no mo ye nsensem a o ma decide say Kotokone House no o mo be
wa unim no ye ba be bo maria na say ye sport na ya we state ye wo stakeholder engagement na no meeting na no e be hu bia adwumadi a e hye nsa na also be make a friends report the committee nye hu say so no to say that be any the edru be o no na ya say e be hye ne kana na ya hye kana be also na ya say be say na ya say na we na ekoso National Sports Authority facility a hye so no that crowd sports na the be here say the Director General be invite all the stakeholders clubs now omo match no vision na omo show mase na ya say police form be yo mo djuma so security phobia na level ni na obi a play role bia national security omo nyina so no ebeba no na this we share match can see that in Ambo Sunday na you say no so category A and say national senior or other national teams name what any epidam it's happy paper na especially around this time no crowd there COVID no so about yeah another factor and also no oh yeah match so no more Nico pa na be nya say you be first meet this Tuesday na ya share be ya humbo abo no sia ko na share ya ni F4 no ni clubs no ni security apparatus ni na no so o mi na be share obi add the report by ma yeso no ya share be ya yina in fact o share dia na dia ya ko ni pa National Sports Authority bi dia ministry minister honorable Mustafa Yusuf ono so obo chidom obwan o share F1 mi nua okreku ni nkofo ni dom omoboa galka ni chairman friends ono so ye management make say we should be preaching na bia dana kwem ye bomb price ni ye say ye ni die eboa Sunday no be match na ni bia de ko
Sunday no match no be ye ama bibia akoso torch the security on the day wa anye careful and then nipa hokra be security for be do so ache nipa o mago he game no and no nhihye no but I must say yen ton tickets ewo gates because of COVID protocols yen himself say observe COVID-19 and
in fact we share COVID protocol no crowd here this senior president excellence na dan kweku fadwa share no 25% man the year juma e be say tickets no so e bit maton na friends e obi answer na obedru your perimeter on no na what to ticket ni crowd answer na over yes I feel be queue on Sunday no the roadblocks be also this be direct we share Ghana Army eba no so be boa Ghana police na friends be road network ni here say you tun bia no be tuja e be tuma ma nipa no afile through these friends routes no now what my best if you want to know about it because we are the so far I think I'm satisfied with the preparation.
Tickets no on turn gates almost tickets back on sale on Friday and Saturday by Saturday no matter tickets nyina every and of course I know say say now black market sales no so be papa because when one single individual decided to buy like 5 or 10 tickets or no I try on the day of the match ebia points ana blocks roadblocks on my that point hono ebi mbe judge na ho atonto tickets no bi and there there ebeba but ordinarily kasad ne ba ye cheche say nipa no let's see how security will deal with ASR incidents ebisi no and also ho ansem by say no enya de obia kwakoto ticket to stadium. Dr. Nsiasare headed the government task force on COVID-19. Now Dr. Nsiasare and so said nothing has changed Over Hearts of Oak the letter abani bibia but bibia nsesai 25% and they be allow into the stadium.
Any decision they increase anything more than 25%. They beat it like that. We still football matches in like 25% capacity. Nothing has changed. That's all. I think the whole sports minister only with my church. Government has come out of a number of people who can go to the stadium. So let us all stick by that. We're not 5 matches anymore. So why do we need then you change it in between and for what reason? What's the reason for it? Even any meeting, I can't say anything. The protocols are government is more maybe they could call 80%. Even 25% in my last time before there was a problem. And then I was a come watch many issues in the year come farmer is not clear. I can't 5 matches. Yeah, comfortable matches. Yeah, really on coin.
Okay, and I don't know, I'll say Yariano and Koi. It's 25% and yes, take it too. And so I was our game. It's a Santiago game on the Hearts of Oak on Sunday, no. Still a 25%. Well, great news for Hearts of Oak fans. With all the progress, our Hearts of Oak project, Omoyano Probimano, Enyano. Togba Federation pledges say he wants to build a 5,000 capacity stadium at Probiman. 5,000 capacity, no, say your matches be over. The guy, say, COVID by, Obin Gaza COVID in Bra, but COVID by, Kazvuk Nafi, and they be a kind of Nasobeshi, and yeah, be a one empty stadium there. They decide to go play a warmer park. Said yeah, Omo Yensi say, you know, Sanso and Ebia, and got renovations to go so Accra Stadium. That is what Togba for them wants to do. But sure for the cancer, Jonah took into cancer, but that is for the game tomorrow. It's Nyame Adoma. It's a hard game, you know, near Ra and Unsum. Gaso Petroleum, Gaso, our Achuman Kranza, or do any Chemo, and say Obuasi Kranasum. Aha. And no, Achuman Kranza. 4 stations we have found Gaso Petroleum. Or the old Kobia, who do Wedgina, I want also to fuel. And I'm saying, Omufuano, yam fry. Fuano, yam fry. Na, we talk 50 CD, 50 CD. Auto 50 CD, 50 CD. Auto 20 CD, 20 CD. And then maybe I saw quite a boom from money one man. Gas was say customers on my benina over to fuel on a pa. Now say if I don't fellow tanker on my breakfast and on my refreshment. And we also sa into so and one saw do any bit more gaso. I say from now till December, gaso so more yedia mobia. Otra kuchia. Aha, Achuman Kranza and Hona Gaso Petroleum war. Omanabani 0545 492 973 0545 492 973 and no Gaso and say seven no. Yani refugees is a double guzua. They say oh yeah former referee. Former referee just the dupuku. Yani betchum komo. And so Christian as a champagne for Kotokoni House game no circles so almost say Kotoko circles no almost the last 5 matches aka our league no more bebono almost circle for no ever for Kotoko Kenya almost matches aka no almost management be overburdened no do ma drink matches no management nyanyoma aka no omo no e kefa we hu nyina no omonso ebefa Barazak Abelora again nidinka eye Kotoko squad omligo shakarela no na yetete nsem bi samso ye bibi o training ma by to bufu ye say by to man instruction bi zo nya de na obi what rasa say
the na tactical preparation ya meboa na wi game ya Kotoko ba beboy na omo se Kotoko kwa attacker Mariano Barreto the two goalkeeper na nim say anko mejina penalty box na no aha na chese in case of any counter bia no why sweeping roll no em say o kan na still na brantie no da so hwe ni po nim eno na ama ya dropping from the squad no
that's around 10 years
tactical disobedience basically
okay yeah because that is what smart corana say or cool bananas go muna nim
em say no because say you kwa attack begina line no there say me who the entia Razak came to me yes
because the coach the guys begina wa if I don't know Elisa na na ekwe because the other half ugina
ano Sro say in case of begina no na ball bi Patrick Schick mugo ibi or share against Scotland this year
but she go no be
go ni biba onu also ni ebe bonus boy well but that's the reason why the player has been dropped
well until he's been dropped again after the FA Cup game no FA Cup the name say there be on the better. But I understand say 2 goalkeepers omo ko kwamba and Felix omo you know na could Mariano Barreto to the omo kobo Carrella game no. And so well
as no kotoko nhihye no omo ntimi fa start time apps no kan ho wa referee no se contentious decision bi aba se start time app na you available on phones
there is a start time for omo grammar sheets wa
say the game no
mini VAR
there should be our own form of VAR decision bi ba na so contentious na the tension be ba match ni mu a quickly near visit phone so the referee can access the phone and make a proper judgment. I me
of course say suggestions.
Yes.
I mean you open to suggestions. You dey chair again. But na me so make say ebia evidence say referee adumugwa ebia omuntimi nya ne say o de nya betre mambuza referee ref say eyi na esise o masun so di biaso masun pen
Pachan.
and then for the you know
Or do you know be our stance and now for referee communication gadget.
Communication gadget. Or kasa oti. Also kasa oti. Okay. Eti ha no na mi busa say obi ade na nge nye say communication gadget no. Yama ba ko starter vo control room ho. Referee ba ko. Na bi also communicate say e bi on say e bi incident bi referee na hu ni ya. No a catching because I don't know anyway. And I see a bar, but no, they say, you know, referee mistakes. You know. Then nowadays, I'm hearing these mistakes. Oh, referees, no, Momusa.
Oh, can't come that's. The Akubanyina say, Ragno, any head of referees committee, OF, no, I'm confused.
I'm confused.
Yes.
Hey, that's it.
Because right. If I say, what do you call labor? Now who's a doctor ya obey? I feel we medical school now. Oh, you're in
first case.
I don't know practical. Oh, how will you feel?
Men play that.
Sana akoba. About an answer expose anybody na. Majority of referees in a free mono. Selection no more, you know. Ekoye say minu anyway madam for no way e ba already we na jime bag nti ma me fa namra premier so nya ho ne bisu referee di o usu referee di o coast no ba division 1 and second division 1 o modern bono
na do ba premier
o me di referee 3 years na dey tam ba premier ko training papa be na obenya na within 3 years na o di be di premier no eti mistakes in there ebe koso aba kopon say ombe jai de omoye no
favoritism
sa
but ufiti say no ko ebi so referees na say mo so na say gidie ni mumu ohun sikasem no because referees what the game 11 weeks here tiamka na mudi esa how do you go omo besia na usika bia wo dawo no akofako
say juba no pe ena ba be
ena djuma bia nso ope bia na jeze djuma no nya musika wo
ena ba no so wo hu die wom na so be enti eden ya da ko be ka fof efi no first ni nyina sa na tie o mu a obedo ka but ye eden obetia oka enti unka say efi ni ntua mekanti ikogumu ho ni ma so park so
referees na omo ye league ni mo mudi no na say me carry video the brother ka say enya no cresa omo ye inexperienced see bi mo how omo ye experience kakra wom na nansenzo wa ni amobi e bia ya bano to the rest of the season yes yeah ujire say no so ekwa bi so contribute to referees no say bia omo dia no so pressure tension abom so ana
kanka mo ni majuma wonsuro broni the fact say ya suspend obi doesn't mean say ozu ko di attention mra also sabe so nya bi adwuma bi nya na start here so wa chini a wo pechini
yeah me to the
enya
pechini
so what you say eti sa wonu madwuma nya de wusuro broni sa wonu de wo ya the fact say ya suspend obi doesn't mean say de obesha ho a untimi nya adwuma
okay
but nimna me kan say bebre no eheda anya ade rag for na referees committee na anim referees ya ade but because say wonye independent no ya fa ne nko ena amasa ho kire we aba
Samum.
hwe referee bi wo Cape Coast e fe no Osman Moro premier match nya wadi ba ko pe kotoko ne Liberty ni kotoko wafa omo man match bi afa no mama no Lagos City was okoye fof because when you obi obekin be man no and so mo di mistakes no ni a share do mo why empa wasem no I pese e jo badge free nsem no ni a suspend o ene ekoso enti se obi kodi a we won say hey FIFA referee boni ya suspending ni na me class 1 de me dey enti na me say wonya ade enti no na hu ade abo no okogina park no so little mistake bi obaye bia no bo say afa no e o genu no hu de wonye
ti referee for no you own your godfather anzana o push
e no de uni bi dia odi no kwa obani na mu a
eju odi na o godfather
me na me ni bi zira me na mu a
but I thought so di now you don't know di ni year o ma be ma o matches ana
ade anchem wan frɛ pɛ no me frɛ wachia o na ho te sɛ wona yere no ma ho te sɛ ya masa
da bi ni
e bo wiki 8 kura na nko bi me na me ka kyerɛ me wo game num ana me nim complaints so mo me free mo so mo de brɛ me
also frɛ panyi bi
oh senior na te sɛ
we da me frɛ wachia
o masa ne credit kakra bi ama wo na ya na the transport
sa
o batina ho sa wonya ma kyerɛ bi
so why nya sa dey forget it
o sa say dey tin abo ma kyerɛ ya boy week say na mo check mo check referee bi ba kododo e bi so nko bi dey tin bi akododo ne bi nko
obi akọ one pay and ave no nya second no
kwa ben waye boni ben kwa na say nipa no waye
because the Liberty so I think say it was a good game I mean
dey nipa na ye
any assembly that's a referee for the Muslim subject power
so mo nya politics na e be nam Cote d'Ivoire na Togo here
95.7
because they present good referee Emma outside world first of all 40 referees premier referees no way you move best 6 say women FIFA referees now we local matches omudi Kaila ne Liberty referee ko di match no na so man for the rest of the season FIFA referee wontimi ni Kaila ne Liberty na match be no obetimedi FIFA referee enya class 1 enya class 2 FIFA referee also man for the rest of the season ara ko kunipa
say bi ado any change be
and do select qualified referee
mom say FIFA referee Jimmy ni Kaila
any Liberty how much more so obetimedi ko to ko has
and I say Ivory Coast ne Cameroon ezongo ginam
na wontimi obe collapse kura
that's the
obe collapse kura
that's also that
oh maybe I said I'm kind of make
ba ko go collapse
na me hu mente
na say ba go collapse o
sa ne wona ka kire me
Charles Bulu
wona ka kire me ma hebi
o
we need the STV on you
to go collapse referee go no the jano we collapse na me who say na say bi start e for foreign referee say ever say Ghana ha why Premier League ni bia who officiating say
officiating they win 100% but at least I will say above average
okay
but I say below average there enye
say below average
below average
what you be match ma yam show say na referee over here
we has ne shark
mina sharks
mi jahwe
ujahwe referee
because one of no mo hwe nyina na mo ha me mi jahwe
am say referee
because what you convince him into was free
ozi
ana wan hebi
maybe yeah the boy akwara no je o ka say place say munyi di o yeah you na me man record
one hell Accra Lions ne sabi say dem akra
there obi striker dey on one foul defender na okona referee say there be a penalty man.
Saa match we kura bi ase o say ko hene ho aso ko si ne hene. Saa match no. Si referee ne hene.
O kuru ni. Okay, Power we just said for could I drink about. I say officiating this season below average. Anyway, masa be bisa question back. Kotokoni has you do when for referee mu pa. Referee be na say kemendi match we. Say bia we be miensa. Meba mabaji wanu ye. So you're 40 years and above. Mr. Oh, you're 40 years and above. Also in your prostate joy capsules because prostate who here ebi a Johnson and Jitwesi ebu a Johnson do ne won ko gina wa untimi nyonso ehwa nso a o Johnson tentem ne nyina no ana o Johnson na mu ye oya mesraw unya prostate joy a p joy eno ene ye ma na de tie ne say sadoway bemma bi a oye above 40 years bi ana 40 and above ya nyabi nanom Opebia, baby, a ton of Dubia Benabi ho, and I saw Colin Herbal, Misty Herbal, Danny Herbal, have made farmer, and I say Salmon Co, Danny Herbal, Costa Farmer, have made for Honina Benabi at Wana Frenam Bay, so to be toa 0244 727028 0244 727028. I don't know. Treadway's chemist for pain tablet and the syrup number. Mr. Tio, Yahuna baby, ya. Wadro for pain. Samson you for pain syrup. And so honum we ya wadro ebe boy ye pa ya wa trouser 500 so no nipa bia obo horse in some kika na chezo bi nyeska wasa ozo ko di wemi enye nsunsun na yoza ska e ga monka se o to in some kika na ozo bi nyeska unye hu koto diwema unye diwema koto trouser ebe boy trouser tablet empanyin for the na syrup and so yankora and your Riddles cough syrup. Your Riddles baby, Riddles junior, Riddles adult. So bowa kata cold wadro Riddles. Rough. Mambu saba kumye nubi ansana obi numa bem. Be white is also here and then matches in the ansana last chance traveling top one so aba sponsors for your commentary. Referees now ohomo and your money mum. Ujire somewhat the temperament to meet me di matches. In fact, if you are referee, if you bet me the match,
people are comparing trust, no, so be able to make it.
Never bako. Why? Daniel Lai. Now sounds like a mistake. Be bossy view. And anyone Kotokoni has good. Keep at the PA. Then it's a car boa. Okay. Oh yes, I'm mistaken. The man for good because keep a PA outside the box. No I dive watch ball. A year through be any more go. No one man one Jerry. FIFA we.
One bit made. But still same mistake back up. About what the season me fans be or the match be brave. To have one mistake there. Well, who cry be an assistant and was be come obo no. E be ono ye FIFA referee. Be a come an assistant I want so any experience. And to be close through say obakasa don. But be an good assistant referee. Ko be prompt say be a goalkeeper na free ababontin.
Yeah.
And you know there it be one so be brave.
Daniel Lai na ojidion. Charles Bulu need you.
Right to be able to come on so ana.
Oh, David say. Yo Latif Adari. So onzie FIFA.
So no so di Kotokoni has na.
Oh. Continue.
But to me South mini back.
Aye. Daniel Lai na ojide so betimi di you know.
Cause who say one fan say no. Premier no. Only a crowd be 5 years or 6 years.
Okay.
And when it comes to experience wise but I said teams in someone pen there say call foreign referees. They save football.
Foreign.
A boy pa.
Foreign referee.
Boy papa.
Can go for foreign referee.
Boy.
I didn't try.
A save referees in Ankasa. Boy.
It's a guy who can referee for no crying to me.
No kind of muntiminka. Oma jatum. So no be kasa behind the scene I catch you say or supported the maker. Okay. Because match where that way. sɛ wokɔfa referee biara na kɔdi match kɔtɔkɔ ne ha so Karela Mponi ɛma wo
rest of the
season billion obi wakokora deɛ man billion
next season 8 matches
no kɔyɛ mistake ne ɛhyɛ kɔtɔkɔ anaa ɛhyɛ has right ahwɛ ne fie kuro meduru onu fie kura ne suspension ama no ɛmfrɛ review hɔ koraa ɛsɛ bɛyi wa no to way one match pɛ right yɛ bɛ referee hu sɛ senior referees bi wɔ hɔ ni ɔmo ne didi ɔmo n'ase so ate ase nti obiara wɔ ne mɛntɔ nti hwɛ ase o wɔde mpɛsɛ mi sɔn referee di nti odi match na bɛpɛ tam no ahwɛ no owia ɔno abɛbusa o den na hu yɛ mistakes bɛ na me yɛ but yɛ mpanyinfo wɔ yɛ ma ba no ɔmo anya better recruitment ama league no me nua nie wɔn na pɛ ma asɛm me si free kama wɔn na gym bag wɔn na me chairman yo chairman nti man fa ne ma premier na ɔno nso adeɛ ɛmo na ɔboa me no nkɔ so na ɔmoa me saa sɛ mo jesi before so obedi kɔtɔkɔ ne house no busanse na ɔdi league no ɔdi sɛ ɔfo bi ma league premier 1 season 2 seasons so medi kɔtɔkɔ ne house ɛmfa ɔmo me simpanifo na mo referees no ɔmo referees no ɔmo ya ma referee na balo enti ukɔ tamala busanse wo so top referee wo ene wo de list na ball kire me but those days no was certain Idrisu so you see impe referee bia ba ko fa na ba
yeah referee Idrisu me kai pa
ukɔ sunyan a wo na bisi referee bisi
yeah
oba be di ukɔ Western region ya was certain Esewoka
yeah Esewoka yeah
oba be di by na way anyway me do ka referee ko an mo kwasa wo obo ho gina referee mu kwa hu de woye oje fa hu no wi anse na otumika ko sin ho ria mo hwe matches no ona oni ball na chi o hu ze fa obesi a wo so wo ba press wi anse na otumika ko nya sport no sa che sa ha na ko training papa be no mo de ma wo busa rag ne say be 3 years ni exams from my referees na twebeda referees exams ya annual ai mo ntwero bi da
3
years for rag chairman busa say that when was the last time I organized exams
but foreign referee asen with you
when me nyaadwe
foreign referee okay me kra
95.7
you support you no Mambisa de munya so Mambisa sa we ko school class na ma me be ton de na garo se fer Mambisa
MBS
ada unis ka ko enti usika wo mu ne be chewa do
ezo won say ye ne sadia ye nya e be take away the shine from game because game we
game na be fe e be de
am you nyina ball good football and the way so no kodokone has with the stakes higher
a check confederation cup no
yes
to fit the confederation cup no don born na Accra no to fit say Ghana referee tama jo Louis de Tekana nka o fit say ke be de
Louis Ajima say no Ghana apoma wi
right apoma wi no show card
or the 4 minutes na
o show card o mu nyina ni so wo twere o mu judge na wa na o pass bon papa o mani ba ho na bon da net to fit say Ghana referee ke o mende
kebe to tunsu
na so foreign referee no bia ko fie
ekodin
sa
na zamu ya nyimu ni musuban
ya me jide de na me to ko se me nyimu hu ni ko me nim da me wu
basa dibo ba dibo timi ju hu di se we dia me nye
me kan say ehia experience hands na be this match
ejo hu Daniel Lai na middle we is ade ya hu
be ma be ne zama bompa ya ma no ni be referee no
that's your referee
pa ma no
yasimu referees no to the teams need to shafamo say match be Jones am.
Oh, nyɛ no korɛ.
Ɛnyɛ no korɛ.
Nyɛ no korɛ.
Boapayo. Referee baso besi.
Team bia o referee a opɛ. So lusukura no say referee dey di a opɛ. Ah.
Sir.
Obia team bia ni referee a opɛ. So dinner say referee o match we there. Referee mistake ya hyɛ me. Ɛni jo. O say o referee dem lock no.
Lock ka na say referee onim na ni nipa no.
Nyɛ sa. Omo anso nim, dem make omo anso nim. It is a obejidam ne lusu 10 ne crowd no say referee dey and then the boys na and then they akwatia wo. But say kwa referee a won pe no obedi a ahona na ni bra na ba no.
Anyway, Tevo I play on 95.7 FM Yeguso at the age with you know at the Eba referee justice adupoku na wa ha and they twin komono. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. And also Shankro for. There's a Grace Gift say, I didn't hear pass over your number. Because all bomb say, I also book your appointment because you're there, you stroke for, you're there, you have diabetes for, you're there, you have memo, you're there, you have a manner. As a messiano. That's Messi only at the crop. Miss Red. So go to Grace Gift that say, in fact, you have stroke, you have hypertension, you have typhoid fever, malaria, prostate cancer and enlargement, and penis infection, and of course the sub-what enlargement. They also remember there, which is a man who says exclusive vagina steaming, mama. Now, oh, you're able to say, syphilis, candidiasis, and on odepuano, and answer fibroid. Men saying a Grace Gift as well. And I want my warrior check. Maswe Grace Gift. How now say Moko. Na Mr. Grace Gift. Oshim School Junction. Oshim School Junction. By case the so Udua baby from School Junction. Overside Junction so next all California. Baby fufu no California. Now beko Cali any poku are no more. And yasen get to Accra. Na Udua Oshim School Junction wa. Obusa Grace Gift akrake to akra betro e dan fe and a buakwa kofodia and so your Gal filling station in Chewa number ni me so je sa number we answer na WhatsApp boss no 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 Western Diamond Travel and Tour. So you be mon penko for the Marco Kata. I'm the Kata stadiums no musino. You have security for my member kwa. Your shopping mall ke sie bi so musin foforo. You have security for the Omako. And man also you have flight attendants between the ages of 20 to 30 years. Now visa no ticket. I'm say ebeba ansan what yeska. Now Western Diamond Travel and Tour. I say when you know and one is over from I was 020 799 2088 020 799 2088 Omo Esuebua Ejom Kwanta Ebuaka Road Hona ho and Obohu Western Diamond and so okay let's say yeah trust so na okay anyway Ref I say more refi for no ebi eshafa mo ho say bia motomo na say ni kodoboku mahala twin kobo ha no che mu say players no ebi yom so obetimi ko to aduro say ono anhyego ama obi anhyego mo refi for mo ebi
aduro sem de me hu bi wom ba nkonkwansa ne wom nkonkwansa ne bakodi ene konkwansa bakodi e ma match de Kanka on a serious note, I was saying, you know, a fire referee, no, seriously. I'm a referee manager.
Says he will be Alex Cote.
You can come. What is a doctor who more than one of a foul?
Aye.
One fancy at the move for young Casano in Timmy, say, who's a witty my.
Yeah.
And what waba. Antecedentina, Ghana, it will produce referee, or wake up.
Justice Yeboah.
No, I open referee manager. What's I know? What of all beer? Or man just say, was so many referee manager. Nasita Zunzua ono be FIFA referee kura but say matches ko no 5 enu 3 kura ntia se omudi nioma bi ye de e di agro so referee ni agro ma enye de right
okay
it is a cat tie dia munya say we na ye madam fo na ne ada
munya nam for some no I say I'm going to say friends and cronies right
mum po bia obetima ye adwuma no
obi obetimi aye
obetima be aye nye say we menim no ntima ma nye na o wani ma atu na madam fo no na o mana be ye sa adwuma we emwa
okay
o qualify referee o retire referee justice yeboa wa call World Cup obi an Nigeria kura ni Brazil boyfriend match na ko fa no obegina
ai mikai
ko fa obi a odi ayi efeni se Gabon ni hwan bo no ko fa no na begina ma nti fa compare amwa
okay anyway ba football ben na de ma referees no so the referees no so ansana mejiro
football kakra be mo se adwuma na de mo hyede o ma meto mpani fo papa timpani fo ma meto mo na o manage dem wona
o ma meto mbe
leadership renye into mo manage na on fa mai sa ni vere nyambe
ene mpani fo zo futu wala do
o mo se sa madwi o mo mu nim de ye so mo nye to mo fa good ones in mra for good ones in mra be brave ho obo ho di division so many years at least with the man premier no man 1 year and 2 years na nkola no so dey support empamu o nyina enko se sankola ma o said the day you bar blaster say na samoja mo ho eno mu nyina ko stevia pem nyam ko na ye fa biguma the day so be ko na ba to party mu so what you say ento mo imparte knowledge no e ma younger ones no na wo mpam wo mu nyina anko fa obi aba referee 3 years 4 years was only Premier League match esa emwa na your review committee no so omu punish referee to the extent say am for the rest of the season so person reform ni pana at least ebi premier no yema woni be 5 matches yempe referees manager or every region bia no monitor our activities or training or matches obedi bia second division close match yema nkodi because who punish ni pano FIFA referee the rest of the season and you wasaba training ben wanya because ma suspended wa ultimate lower division crowd and you metra ho ni pa mu nya de dada o so metra ho na season is start here no wasaba oba so committee the same mistake and the reform referees na it should be say punishment with esonodo so many pano Latif say ko this week 8 am rest of the season the match be no kodi no one sam famra no omedi on sam di premier no e ba ne sa emwa enti on change how omusi suspended referees me das
okay obi yani referee just said fuku and I took over na as a ref there or can in some no
straight
yes straight now I can said yet you know no they are too oh that it's okay yeah just a BYT I was say mama BYT